How to blur a part of a video in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can blur a part of a video in CapCut. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the CapCut application in your mobile device. Tap on New Project. After that, you have to select a video and then tap on Add. Once you have your video selected, now in order to blur a part, make sure the video in the timeline is not selected. After that, navigate to the bottom of this interface. There, swipe the menu bar to your left, and here you have to look for an option that is Effects. Tap on Video Effects. Tap in the search bar and there search for Blur. After that, tap on Blur, tap on Cancel, tap on the tick mark. Now tap on the blur effect and make sure to expand it with the help of your fingertip so it covers your whole video length. So once you have done that, tap on the video in the timeline. After that, again navigate to the bottom of this interface, swipe the menu bar to your left, and from there you have to search Duplicate and tap on Duplicate. Once you are done with that, now tap on your duplicated video on the timeline. Again, head towards the menu bar on the interface, swipe that to your left, and from there you have to search for Overlay and then tap on it. After that, tap on the overlaid video and then again you have to move it at the beginning of the video. Tap on your overlaid video, swipe the menu bar to your left, and now search for an option that is Mask. Tap on it. Here select Rectangle. Now again tap on Invert at the bottom left corner. Now once you're done with that, with the help of your fingertip, you can move this blur part and place it wherever you like. For example, I just want to blur this text right here, so I will just keep it just above it. You can also resize with the help of your fingertip. Once you're done, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. And now you can go back, and if you play your video, now your selected part is now blurred. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.